Identity, personal brand, reputation. Identity is what you know about you, who you are today, such as my values. So I value family, helping others, challenge, global, and creative. Those are my top priority values. And this is who I am today. Without telling my experience, whatever. That's the surface. Without surface, within things. The inner things. And personal brand is something different. Identity is your current self. Personal brand is your future self. That's where the gap happens. Personal brand is who you want to be, who you want to be seen by others. So it's like not today's version of you. It's somebody, not somebody, but it's like a future version of you. So especially in this humble Korean culture, it's very difficult to accept this kind of concept because it's not me of today. So it's like a 1 year later version of me. So which means you should accept that, it's not today's version of me. So it's going to be the future self. So in the LinkedIn profile, it's a future self. It's a brand. It's your brand. It's not your current self only. It's your brand, your direction. So one example, who entered the Coupang. She didn't have any internship experience, even any volunteer experience about logistics position. But she wants to enter SCM logistics position. So she put the headline of LinkedIn saying, logistics associate. And some of the relevant keyword, 3 keywords. But the Coupang recruiter contacted her because she named it. And the recruiter asked her about experience and something else. And she said, I don't have any experience, but my direction, I believe, is going to be the logistics specialist. And I got recently the certificate of SCM, supply chain management. And that story worked. And she is now at Coupang. So the understanding your future self and brand and telling to the people, to the audience on LinkedIn is super important. But it's not your current version. So you should do something else. The skill up in the behind to really back up the gap. That's how I think you can grow between your current self and future self. And the reputation is simply somebody observe you or see you. It's not something you can control. But the identity and the personal brand is something you can control and upgrade and improve.